That's crazy, man. Have you guys ever seen... How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much.
Check out this bed.
Wow. So my game plan for this, the motherboard's right here. Because if the motherboard's intact, there's nothing to worry about. Everything should be okay. Essentially, I'm going to transfer it over to a new housing. See, I got the housing ready. Okay. So I'm going to transfer everything from inside into this phone right here. Take a look. Before and after.